Bird strike risk and avoidance. An analysis of bird strike shows that the highest risk is encountered in a layer from 0 to 150 metres, that is from 0 to about 500 feet. 90% of bird strikes occur under 500 metres. The observation and studies conducted on the behaviour of birds on the ground ahead of an aircraft taking off and having reached an average speed of about 135 knots show that birds take no notice of what's going on and eventually fly away about 2 seconds beforehand. The least likely condition to attract flocks of birds is long grass. The most likely condition to attract birds to an aerodrome is a refuge tip in close proximity. The most efficient bird scaring technique generally available nowadays is broadcasting of recorded distress calls of predators. As regards the detection of bird strike hazards, the pilot's means of information and prevention are ATIS, NOTAMs, and reports by another crew. If you notice after takeoff a flock of birds which may present a bird strike hazard, you must immediately inform the appropriate ground station. If during takeoff an aircraft hits a bird, due to control vibrations a landing must be made immediately. Following this incident, the pilot must file a bird strike report form.